Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. My name is Kirsty, and this week is going to be an entire week of freezer meals, okay? It is January, and it is time to get our freezers stocked to have meals on hand because you know as well as I do that everything is going to start getting busy, isn't it? All right, you guys, so today we are going to start out with a super simple drop biscuit recipe. They are just a baking powder drop biscuit, and they are perfect for the freezer and for future meals, not just for eating, delicious with bread and butter, but also with shepherd's pie, which I'm going to be showing you in a video coming up this week. And also for biscuits and gravy. Who doesn't love biscuits and gravy? All right, you guys, I hope that you are having a wonderful, beautiful new year. And as always, God bless. Bye.